What happens when a country of the size of India has over 30 lakh children living on the streets? Or has over 1.5 crore children working as bonded laborers? Or 1 out of every 6th girl child does not live to see her 15th birthday? Or, despite a national policy of compulsory primary education, only 50% of children have access to such education. The statement, "Children are the future of the nation," stops making sense. In fact, it sounds like an ominous prophecy. For how long can we explain that even after 50 years of independence, half of India's children are illiterate? Despite identifying primary education as a key thrust area and possessing one of the largest networks of schools in the world, clearly we have a lot to answer for, and as a concerned citizen, do something about it. Something meaningful, something concrete. This question sees the attention of 2 investment bankers, and a group of like-minded corporate professionals and technocrats have decided to finance, handhold and support genuine grassroots initiatives targeted at underprivileged children. At Smile, social venture philanthropy is a mode of confronting social ills through the well-being of underprivileged children. It endeavors to establish a new relationship between the donor and the non-profit organizations. Beginning with 300 children in a remote tribal village of Orissa, today Smile reaches out to more than lakh children through various education and healthcare projects across 13 states of India. Keeping its objective and focus in mind, and after scrutinizing around 500 NGOs, Smile has supported around 100 of them in the last 3 years. Social venture philanthropy is Smile's bridge to more effective and impacting social work. Its mantras are scalability, sustainability, self-sufficiency, accountability, excellence and leadership. This helps in inculcating a sense of accountability and responsibility amongst the small NGOs Smile works with. And in doing so, it also ensures that funds raised in the name of charity are employed in the right manner. Smile's partners are small, medium-sized NGOs with nothing but the zeal of the people behind them. These NGOs dotting the map of India have the biggest resource, that of committed human capital.
Smile seeks out social entrepreneurs who are passionate leaders with a vision and idea, making a change through their projects, thus creating more social value from limited resources.
Today, Smile has a broad canvas, a diverse range of partners sharing a common vision. Its spread is enviable, yet the dream remains the same: to reduce human suffering. Smile works with NGOs also to provide health care. Smile on Wheels is its mobile hospital program covering around 300 remote villages in the first phase across 5 states, where there are already 5 mobile hospitals. Another 30 are to come up in the next 1 year or so. Girl child has always remained a concern for Smile. Empowering them and providing them the skills they use to become independent has been the core focus. Swabhiman, which means living with pride and dignity, is a special program designed to prepare adolescent girls to handle crisis situations arising out of gender inequality and emerge stronger and empowered. Often these skills come handy in worse times, always unforeseen, like natural disasters when distressed families look for survival. Smile is besides them even on these hard times, whether it is tsunami, earthquake in Gujarat, Mumbai bomb blast, earthquake in Kashmir, flood in Rajasthan, Mumbai flood, tsunami, etc. And what about the teeming number of unemployed and the growing numbers? Twin e-learning is a futuristic program of SMILE to empower deprived communities towards national building. The demand of the Indian BPO sector is set to grow to 23 lakh skilled people by 2010. Aiming to reach urban employed youth from poor communities, 50 e-learning organizations under the Twin e-learning project aims to prepare this potential workforce for a BPO boom and the retail market. It is an incomplete education which is short of changing the inabilities to gain knowledge and to think or acquire habits, skills and attitude which characterize an individual who is socially accepted and adjusted. SMILE is set to change that in the communities its partners work amongst. Over the last 4 years, SMILE Foundation has worked, networked and made inroads into a number of corporates, organizations and individuals committed to effect a sustainable change in the society. The partnership is meant to enable the organizations to grow. It is like holding hands and walking together. At SMILE, active support to a partner never comes to an end. It blossoms into a new beginning. When the partner has the ability to become a strong, independent organization, pursuing its own values. For SMILE, its partners zeal to work in the most inaccessible areas amongst the most vulnerable people. Empowering them is invaluable. If you want to think 1 year ahead, plant rice. If you want to think 10 years ahead, plant trees. But if you want to think 100 years ahead, give education to people.